Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best standing desks to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the fully Jarvis standing desk. Many consumers have praised the Jarvis standing desk, and for good reason. Its stability, design and breadth of customization options make it a worthy investment for the home or office. While some desks offer a limited height range, Jarvis is available in mid and extended height ranges. For the top, you have many options: heat, scratch and water-resistant powder-coated MDF, GreenGuard high-pressure laminate, or Moso bamboo, harvested from sustainable forests. Both the rectangle and contour shapes are available in multiple sizes, and you can add a laptop or monitor arms to accommodate a variety of display setups. You can customize further by adding a powered grommet, anti-fatigue mat, LED desk lamp and more. Features: reliable and durable components, electric adjustment, powerful, smooth and stable lift. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Seville Classics Electric Standing Desk. Seville Classics adjustable model is as smooth as it looks, easily transforming from a spacious sitting desk to standing height with a touchscreen controller equipped with 3 different programmable settings. Its sleek rounded design is also one of the more compact options on this list, for those who might be short on ample space but still require a standalone desk. Features: tempered glass tabletop, powerful dual motors, dual USB charging ports. Coming up next. In third place we have the FlexiSpot adjustable height standing desk. If you're on a tighter budget for a desk, FlexiSpot model is a solid option for you. Sasso's notes that unboxing and assembly was straightforward and that the desktop's width is substantial without overtaking an existing space in your home. Its width might also allow you to work in some freestanding storage beneath it. Equipped with 3 different height presets, this desk can hold up to 154 pounds of weight, and is fully extendable to 48-inch in height. Features: cozy and ergonomic whole-piece workspace, electric height adjustable lift system, solid construction. Now moving to the number 4. Vari electric standing desk. Vari, its full-sized standalone desk is easy to assemble out of the box, and offers easy cable management for your monitors, cords and any other charges on your desk. Rothman's tests reveal that Vari's desk isn't as speedy in changing its height as other models on this list, although its moderate price point might attract shoppers, as well as the fact that it's available in 5 different finishes and 2 different sizes. Features: versatile 3-stage legs, powerful whisper quiet dual motors, solid 1-piece top. In the 5th position we have the Apex Desk New Desk Movable Standing Desk. Apex Desk, available in 4 different sizes for any room you may have in mind. Apex Desk's easy lift lower desk may be a solution to those who can't plug in. The desk can be pulled up to 48-inch tall using a hand lever, gliding the desktop up and down at your touch. It may also be truly designed for those who have a dynamic workspace and need to move about, including those in art studios or a manufacturer's space. The installation only calls for a screwdriver and can be completed in less than 20 minutes. Features: pneumatic height adjustment, Average assembly. Easy installation. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best standing desks. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.